If you've been searching for highzyvontracks.com, you've probably wondered one thing. Is it actually legit, or is it just another website you should avoid? In this quick review, I'll go over the most important things you need to know before spending your money. The first thing I noticed is that the website makes some attractive claims. It offers products at prices that can catch your attention right away. But remember, low prices alone don't prove a website is trustworthy. Scammers often use huge discounts to convince people to buy quickly. Next, take a close look at the website itself. Check if it provides clear contact information, a physical address, and customer support details. A legitimate online store is usually transparent about who they are. If you struggle to find basic company information, that's something to be careful about. Another thing worth checking is the age of the domain. New websites aren't automatically scams, but recently created stores deserve extra attention. It's also a good idea to search for customer reviews on independent websites instead of relying only on testimonials shown on the store itself. When looking into highzyvontracks.com, I also recommend reviewing its shipping, refund, and return policies. These pages should be easy to understand and explain exactly what happens if your order never arrives or if you need to send something back. You should also pay attention to how you can pay. Using a credit card or a payment service with buyer protection is generally safer than using payment methods that offer little or no chance of getting your money back if something goes wrong. At this point, I wouldn't suggest rushing into a purchase without doing your own research first. Look for recent customer experiences, verify the company's details, and make sure everything checks out before placing an order. Taking a few extra minutes now could save you a lot of frustration later. So, is highzyvontracks.com legit or a scam? Based on the information available, it's best to stay cautious until you've verified the site's credibility for yourself. Always shop carefully, trust the evidence instead of the promises, and never let big discounts pressure you into making a quick decision.